The papayas are ripe and ready for harvest, displaying their characteristic yellow-orange color that indicates perfect sweetness and flavor.
Expert workers carefully hand harvest each papaya, avoiding any damage that could affect the fruit's quality.
Each papaya is handled with extreme care to preserve its perfect texture and avoid any bruising that would affect the final product.
Refrigerated trucks transport the papayas from the farm to the factory, maintaining ideal temperatures to preserve freshness.
Papayas arrive at the modern processing plant, where advanced technology and artisan expertise come in to create exceptional desserts.
Quality control begins immediately, inspecting each batch of papayas to ensure they meet the highest standards.
The papayas are carefully unloaded into the receiving area, where they'll continue their transformation journey. The automated washing system prepares to clean the papayas, removing any field residue with purified water.
High-pressure jets of purified water thoroughly clean each papaya, removing dirt, dust, and any surface contaminants.
Soft rotating brushes clean the surface of each papaya without damaging the skin, ensuring perfect hygiene.
A final rinse with purified water removes all washing residues, leaving the papayas perfectly clean. High-velocity air completely dries the papayas, preparing them for the next processing step.
Quality control verifies that each papaya is perfectly clean and sanitized before continuing the process.
Specialized machines prepare to peel the papayas, efficiently removing the skin while maximizing flesh yield.
Precision blades automatically adjust to each papaya's size to achieve perfect peeling.
The automated peeling system efficiently removes the skin, preserving as much of the delicious orange flesh as possible.
The peeled papayas reveal their vibrant orange flesh, rich in flavor and nutrients, ready for processing.
The cutting stations prepare to section the papayas into the perfect size for each type of dessert.
Each papaya is cut lengthwise, exposing the central cavity filled with black seeds that must be removed. An automated system efficiently removes all the black seeds, leaving only the sweet, edible flesh.
We ensure each cavity is completely clean, removing every last seed and fiber to obtain only pure flesh.
Inspectors verify the quality of the flesh, identifying and removing any areas that don't meet perfect standards.
The cutting machines prepare to transform the papaya halves into perfectly uniform cubes for the desserts.
Ultra-sharp blades cut the papaya into perfect cubes, each one the exact same size for consistent presentation.
The papaya cubes are collected, ready to become the delicious desserts that will reach consumers.
Carton boxes are prepared to group the jars for efficient distribution to retailers and consumers.
Each box is carefully assembled, creating a strong protective structure for the delicate glass jars inside.
Jars are systematically arranged in the boxes, maximizing space while ensuring each one is protected during transport.
Each jar undergoes final quality inspection, verifying that every aspect meets our strict standards before packaging.
Inspectors carefully examine each jar for label alignment, seal integrity, and overall appearance perfection.
Any jars that don't meet our perfect standards are immediately removed, ensuring only flawless products reach consumers.
Carton boxes are prepared to group the jars for efficient distribution to retailers and consumers.
Each box is carefully assembled, creating a strong protective structure for the delicate glass jars inside. Jars are systematically arranged in the boxes, maximizing space while ensuring each one is protected during transport. Cardboard dividers are inserted between jars, preventing them from touching and eliminating breakage risk. Protective padding is added to absorb any shocks during transportation, keeping every jar safe and intact.
Each box is securely sealed with strong tape, completing the protective packaging for distribution.
Shipping labels with destination information and handling instructions are applied to each box. Each box is scanned into the inventory system, allowing real-time tracking from factory to final destination.
Boxes are carefully stacked on pallets, creating organized units ready for efficient warehouse and truck transport. Stretch wrap tightly secures the boxes to the pallet, ensuring stability during loading, transport, and unloading.
Each pallet receives identification labels detailing contents, destination, and special handling requirements.
Forklifts efficiently move the completed pallets to the warehouse, where they'll await distribution to retailers.
The warehouse maintains optimal temperature and humidity, ensuring the papaya desserts remain perfect until delivery. An advanced inventory system tracks every pallet, providing real-time information for efficient distribution planning. Orders are carefully prepared, selecting exactly what each retailer needs for their stores. Delivery trucks arrive at the loading dock, ready to transport the papaya desserts to stores across the country.
Each shipment is inspected to verify order accuracy, ensuring retailers receive exactly what they ordered.
The products are loaded into refrigerated trucks that will maintain optimal temperatures throughout the delivery journey. The trucks depart the facility, beginning their journey to deliver fresh papaya desserts to retailers nationwide. GPS systems track each truck in real time, optimizing routes and ensuring on-time deliveries to every location.
The trucks arrive at retail stores, completing the journey from tropical plantation to supermarket shelf.
Store staff carefully unload the products, inspecting each box to ensure everything arrived in perfect condition.
Each shipment is inspected by store staff, verifying that all jars are intact and properly labeled.
The papaya desserts are immediately placed in the store's refrigerated storage, maintaining optimal freshness.
Store employees prepare to stock the shelves, organizing the papaya desserts for attractive customer presentation.
Price labels are applied to each jar, providing clear pricing information for shoppers.
The jars are attractively arranged on refrigerated shelves, positioned to catch customers' eyes.
The display is complete, with a full selection of papaya desserts now available for consumers to purchase.
Store staff use a first-in, first-out system, ensuring the oldest products sell first and customers always get maximum freshness.
Customers browse the dessert section, attracted by the vibrant colors and appealing presentation of the papaya products.
A customer selects a jar of papaya dessert, drawn to its fresh appearance and natural ingredients.
The customer reads the label, learning about the dessert's natural ingredients and nutritional benefits.